An RGB color system with 24 bits adds as the storage per pixel is known as one blank space is there. So here we are having RGB. So RGB stands for, R stands for red, G stands for green, and B stands for blue. So it is of 24 bits of storage. So now how this 24 bits of storage will be there? So actually this 24 bits of storage will be divided into 3 8 bits component. So 3 8 bits component. So one will be storing the bit information for the red color. Next 8 bits will be storing the bit information for the green color, and the blue color will be having 8 bits here. So in total we are having 24 bits, and which is nothing but 8 bits into 3. So in this way the 24 bits of information will be there per pixel. So 24 bits almost always use 8 bits of the each color, that is RGB, and as of 2018, that is 24 bits color depth is used by virtually every computer and phone display and the vast majority of image storage formats, and almost all image cases where there are 32 bits per pixel means 24 bits are used for the color and remaining 8 bits are used for the alpha channel or unused. So that's why we should call this one as a true color system. So I shall be going for this option number B. So there is a true color system. We had the other options, but they are not suitable for this purpose. So we shall be going for the option number B. That is a true color system. So whenever we are having 24 bits of system to represent a pixel, then they will get divided in this way. And sometimes we may have the 32-bit system. Then this rest 1 byte of information, either it will be used for the alpha channel or may remain unused.